Ammonium nitrate is used in fertilizers. What is the percent composition of nitrogen in the compound? So here we go. Here's our ammonium nitrate. You can see it's made up of nitrogens, obviously, hydrogens, and oxygen. So first things first, we need to calculate the molar mass of the whole compound. So we have nitrogens, right? We know that there's 2 of them. Don't forget to count both of them. 2 times, and if you're looking at your periodic table, we'll just call it 14. So 28 grams per mole. And then the next the next element is hydrogen. We have 4 of those, 4 times 1.01. That comes out to 4.04 grams per mole. And then we have the oxygen. We have 3 times 16, and that comes out to 48 grams per mole. So now the next step is obviously we just need to sum